सो जो डिटेल होती है, आई थिंक आपको प्रैक्टिकल स्टार्ट होने से पहले एक दफ़ा आपने उस लेक्चर की स्लाइड्स को आप ओवरव्यू करके आया करें, ताकि आपको प्रैक्टिकल में स्लाइड समझने में आसानी हो और डायग्राम समझने में आसानी हो. सो just a brief overview or review of the division or classification of the connective tissues. Can you see the slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so just a brief overview of the connective tissues. It is classified into three types of connective tissue, that is embryonic connective tissues, connective tissue proper, specialized connective tissue. Then embryonic connective tissue we have already studied are two types, mesenchymal and mucoid. And then the connective tissue proper, loose connective tissue, dense, reticular, adipose. And then finally the specialized connective tissues that we are going to study today is our cartilage, bone and blood. And today our topic of discussion is bone. Okay, so can anyone tell me what is a bone? कुछ पता हो bone के बारे में तो मुझे बताओ. Any one of you?
Bone is a type of connective tissue that provides support to our body and makes the skeleton of our body.
Right. Okay. Anyone else?
It provides protection to the body in the case of thoracic pain. Rib.
Right. So basically, the bone is a modified form of connective tissue which is made up of extracellular matrix, cells, and fibers. Again, like cartilage and like the other tissues, bone has its own composition of extracellular matrix. It has its own type of cells and it has fibers. So that we will study in detail. What are the name of the cells which are present in the bone? What is the composition of the extracellular matrix? Because the composition of the extracellular matrix of bone is different from cartilage, is different from the connective tissue, is different from the blood. So this because of this difference in composition of the extracellular matrix, the bone is different from cartilage. So the bone, as its name indicate, and if we see casually, bone is hardened form of the connective tissue. Bone is more stronger than the cartilage. It has minerals in its side. There are different types of minerals that make it strong. It provides support and protection to the body. जो हमारा skeleton system है, that is basically made up of bones, more bones, and then the cartilages. So the strength, shape, and the stability of the human body are dependent on the musculoskeletal system. So हमारा जो system है, ये skeleton, पूरा जो हमारा skeleton system है, that is made up of the muscles and the bones. And further, then the bones are joined to each other with the help of cartilages, with the help of tendon. And then we have joints as well. So the most robust aspect of this unit is the underlying bony architecture. So जितने भी हमारे connective tissue की types हैं या cartilage हैं, उसकी जो underlying हमारे skeleton की जो architect है, that is bone. And then we have other type of.
Okay. Yeah.
So the bone matrix. Beta, any issue? Okay. So
No, ma'am.
Okay, so the bony, if we study about the bony matrix, the extracellular matrix of the bone consists of the organic component and the inorganic component. So the organic component is 50% and the inorganic component is also 50% almost. So what are the different organic components in our bony extracellular matrix? It is collagen type 1 and type 5. So 90% is occupied by the collagen fibers, and then the non-collagenous proteins, which are 10%. So non-collagenous proteins, you can have proteoglycans, GAGs, and so on. In the form of inorganic component, we have mainly calcium, phosphorus, and small amount of sodium, potassium, magnesium, and bicarbonate. So basically, if our bone is strong, it mainly depends upon these components of the extracellular matrix that are organic and inorganic. And if we फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मैं आपको इसकी क्लिनिकल एक एक्सपेक्ट बता दूं, अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ वी हैव एल्डर पीपल और अगर उनकी बोन्स हम कहते हैं वीक हैं या दे आर प्रोन टू फ्रैक्चर बाय बिकॉज इनके कंपोनेंट्स जो हैं दे हैव लेस मिनरल्स और समटाइम्स दे डू नॉट टेक इन मोर मिनरल्स. अगर आपकी इनटेक इन कंपोनेंट्स की ज़्यादा होगी लाइक कैल्शियम, फॉस्फोरस, other minerals in the form of supplements, in the form of food, then your bones are more stronger. Okay, so the bony cells, what are the different type of bone cells? जिस तरह हमने प्रीवियस प्रैक्टिकल्स में कार्टिलेज पढ़ा था, कनेक्टिव टिश्यूज पढ़े थे. कार्टिलेज हैव इट्स ओन टाइप ऑफ सेल्स, connective tissue has its own name of cells, but basically fibroblasts are present. The most important cell which are present in every type of connective tissue is fibroblast. It is very common. It can be asked in your practical what are active fibroblasts, what are inactive fibroblasts, and which cells make the fibers of the body like collagen or elastin. These are fibroblasts. Okay, keeping it aside, what are the specialized bone cells? So basically we have 4 type of bone cells: osteoprogenitor cells, osteoblasts, osteocytes, and osteoclasts. Now these cells you will study here in your anatomy, in your histology. You will study its function in detail in your physiology. So ये आपका correlated होता है. अगर आप हिस्ट्रो में कुछ पढ़ रहे हैं या फिजियो में वही टॉपिक पढ़ रहे हैं और आपको लगता है कि यू कैन कोरिलेट, यू आर एबल टू कोरिलेट द इंफॉर्मेशन बिटवीन दी सब्जेक्ट्स, तो इस तरह आपकी जो है वो अंडरस्टैंडिंग ज़्यादा अच्छी होगी. सो वी विल स्टडी व्हाट आर द बेसिक फंक्शन ऑफ दीज 4 टाइप ऑफ सेल्स. Here comes the osteoprogenitor cells. So we have studied osteoprogenitor cells or the progenitor cells in many type of tissues. Why? Because progenitor cells basically give rise to the mature cells. So what they does, osteoprogenitor cells are basically flattened cells with oval nucleus. First of all, you should know the shape of these cells. They are flattened, they have an oval nucleus, and they are found in periosteum, endosteum. They line the Haversian canal and they line the Walkman canal. We will study and we will see in the slides coming soon that where is the periosteum, what is the periosteum, endosteum क्या होता है, Haversian canal क्या होती है, and Walkman canal. So सबसे पहले आपको पता होना चाहिए कि where these cells come from. They come from the osteoprogenitor cells. Osteoprogenitor cells give rise to or they form the other type of cells. So the second type of cells are the osteoblasts. Now the osteoblasts synthesize the bone matrix and are responsible for its mineralization. So हमारे bone में जो minerals को जो है accumulate करता है, हमारी bone को mineralize करते हैं, cells strong करते हैं, that are the osteoblasts. Now these are the cells which are derived from the osteoprogenitor cells, which is a mesenchymal stem cell line. Again, it is a stem cell line because it give rise to the osteoblast. ठीक है, ये एक stem cell है, ये एक basic cell है that will give rise to the osteoblast. So next we have osteoclast.